Hi guys, welcome back to the GS.GLAM channel. Today's video, it's going to be an unboxing slash first impression of the new palette by Manny MUA. But before we get started, if you are new to my channel, go down below and hit the bell notification button and the subscribe button so I can keep you up to date with the latest tips, tricks, and tutorials that I do on my channel. That way I can make sure that I can keep your face beat all year long. I like how it's just like a black long box like this. I don't know, I just thought it was really cute to see that it was just like a simple black box. And on the inside it looks like this. It says Lunar Beauty right here, and it has this pentacle right here with their picture that he posted on Instagram with all the models and him right here. And then on the other side it says life is a drag, and it has all of the shadows in this picture, and it says bring out the queen in you with this beautiful mix of neutrals and bright colors that blend effortlessly 14 pen color palette. It's cruelty free. And then it says a special thank you to the models, and then it lists each of the models handles. Cute right here. Now this palette retails for $48 plus tax, so mine ended up being around 50 something, 51, 52. And then it comes with this package, the Lunar Beauty logo on it all over it. Just the paper. Stick that out. And then there's some bubble wrap. And more bubble wrap.
2 hours later.
And here's the palette. It's like a holographic. The case kind of like, it's not plastic. I'm not really sure what the material is, but it says life is a drag, and the letters in it, it has like a glitter finish to it, and it says Lunar Beauty, life is a drag, and then color palette. And in the back it's also the same. This holographic packaging, it's like a rose gold, and I'm like really feeling it. It's really pretty, but like the golden letters in it, and that trim is also like gold. It's just so cute. Okay, so in the back it says I dedicate this palette to all my makeup lovers out there. We are all queens. My first experience in the makeup world was in drag, which is why drag has been I've worked so hard to come up with this beautiful mix of neutrals and bright colors that blend effortlessly. 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 So it comes out like this. This is what the back looks like. It just says Lunar Beauty again, and then it has the holographic kind of sheen to it. And then in the front, these are actually his eyes, and it says life is a drag right here. And this is like so cool. Like his eyes are just so beautiful, but like the blue and the pink, just stunning. And then it opens up like this. Whoa, oh, wait a second. Opens up like this, and it comes with a little protector. And look at that beauty, all of these shades, and the palette is huge, y'all. Like, it's so big. Let me get another palette that like a lot of you guys are familiar with, and just put it like side by side to compare it. So here's the Stuff Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and here's Manny's palette. Do you see how big this palette is? Is gigantic. I don't know, I am so excited for this. And it has 7.70 ounces, the net weight on it. It comes with a little brush, double-ended brush. One is like a blending brush, just like a blending, and the other one is a packing brush, and it says Lunar Beauty. And then in the mirror says be a queen right over here. This Be a Queen, and then like the crowns around the mirrors are just so stunning. Now the palette, obviously it actually bends like this, and I love that it comes with a mirror, so I don't really have to like dig out another mirror or another palette to be able to use this. But it has 14 shades. They're right here. I'm gonna swatch a couple of them. I'm gonna swatch this Campy, which is the yellow one. Ooh. That feels, let me see. Oh yeah, that feels soft. Pageant, oh, that was kind of, ooh, look at that. That one is very soft. Some of it just, but like it's right here in my fingers. And then I'm gonna grab, let's grab one of the neutral Sickening. That's a very pretty, like a transitioning color, this one right here. So those are the 3 ones that I swatched. I'm gonna grab one more. So I swatched, starting from the yellow side, I swatched Campy, and then I went with Pageant Queen, and then I did Sickening, and then was KK or Kai, I'm not sure how you pronounce that one, and then I went with Kiki, and these are just so beautiful. I cannot wait to see how they perform on the eyes. So I ended up only swatching 5 of the shades because this is a very large palette and this is supposed to be a very short video. But if you want to see, and you know that the swatches don't really mean much. Okay, so I know swatches don't mean a whole lot, and I know that you guys will probably want to know how this palette performs on the eyes, and I would love if you guys let me know if you want to see me using this palette. Let me know what kind of maybe what kind of eye look you want me to do, or what colors from the palette you want me to use. I would really love to hear that from you guys. Let me know down in the comments, down in the comment area. Gosh, okay. And then
2 hours later.
so let me know down below if you want to see a look in this palette, and I will definitely try and make it happen. Now, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I am obsessed with this palette. Cannot wait to play with it. Like, I think after I'm done with this video, I'm gonna go and like do something crazy in my eyes. But like I said, let me know down below what you think about this palette. If you guys have it already, what are your thoughts on it? And yeah, subscribe to my channel, give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video.